Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
This value estimate can be helpful on the off chance that you're attempting to decide the future worth of baby Doge coins or only inquisitive about the coin's true capacity. Our assessment of baby Doge coin's set of experiences and its specialized properties permits us to make a ballpark estimation regarding its future worth. In this video, we'll investigate the fate of the baby Doge coin. Probably the most fast market development has been seen by baby Doge coin, a digital money in light of the well-known web image. In 2021, the worth of various new coins, known as image coins, detonated. The year 2021 has been an incredible one for baby Doge too. A brilliant future lies ahead for baby Doge coin thanks to its committed local area. As far as we can see from the authority side for the venture, baby Dogecoin is the posterity of Dogecoin. Baby Doge was made as a decentralized coin determined to help canine government assistance drives. Specialists in the digital money area are in understanding that image coins have effectively entered the market. Image coins plainly outflanked other cryptographic forms of money in 2021. Child Doge might find lasting success as an image cash. In contrast with Dogecoin, the Babe Doge task's presentation is duplicated by 10 on the Binance Smart Chain organization. Starting around 2022, the Baby Dogecoin project was the most well-known on both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Child Dogecoin, Baby Doge, price forecast. Organically and innovatively talking, the Baby Doge money is a stage higher from its ancestor, Dogecoin. Child Doge trusts that his dad, Dogecoin, and the whole Doge people group will consider him on account of his sped-up and charming character. While baby Dogecoin's instability might appear to be high this moment, diminishing over the approaching not many months is normal. To a great extent because of Elon Musk's tweet, the worth of baby Doge has expanded emphatically, and the local area has developed to incorporate in excess of 1 million individuals. Regardless, only another tweet about baby Doge could push this venture's market cap into the main 300. After its posting, the baby Doge likewise completed a huge symbolic consume activity, with 29% of all baby Doge tokens having been obliterated. Child Dogecoin, baby Doge, price forecast in 2022. In 2021, baby Doge token worth expanded by 180% after Elon Musk tweeted about it, either coincidentally or deliberately. With the assistance of the local area and Elon Musk's tweets, baby Doge might keep on ascending in esteem in 2022. Our examination recommends that by 2022, expecting all works out as expected, the baby Dogecoin cost will have arrived at a limit of $0.000000075. Despite the fact that the base expense can be really low as high as $0.000000061. Child Dogecoin, baby Doge, price forecast in 2023. Our baby Dogecoin cost figure for 2023 ventures that this digital currency will arrive at a high of $0.00000007500 in esteem. We can't say without a doubt how much the cost of baby Doge will increment in the following bull run, yet it could go significantly higher than we anticipate. Child Doge coins commonly cost generally $0.000000091. However, this isn't generally the situation. The base cost of a baby Doge coin can drop to $0.000000015 on the off chance that a negative pattern is available. Child Dogecoin, baby Doge, price forecast in 2025. The cost of baby Dogecoin is anticipated to continue to ascend for the following 4 years, staying in a buyer market until mid-2025. After as of late unbelievable its normal cost of generally $0.000000063, the token may before long set another record-breaking high of $0.000000079. There is plausible that the cost of a baby Doge could reach $0.00000052, assuming that the market becomes negative. With the backing of its local area, the baby Doge token is ready to increment in esteem throughout the following couple of years. Child Dogecoin, Baby Doge, price forecast in 2030. Child Doge crypto could go through tremendous changes in 2018, a year that could be extraordinary for the digital currency economy all in all. Baby Doge is projected to arrive at a typical value level of $0.000063 in 2030, agreeing per the investigation of the Baby Dogecoin cost estimate. While by 2030's decision, the base worth of a Baby Dogecoin may be around $0.000051. Our estimating investigation shows that the Baby Doge cryptographic money can possibly reach $0.000075. The Baby Doge coin's cost could ascend over our objective reach on the off chance that a bullish meeting emerges. Does Baby Doge deserve to invest? There has been a little increase in Baby Doge financial backers. This intends that there are currently more than 1.5 million individuals who follow Baby Doge on Twitter. The send-off of Baby Dogecoin is expected to follow a similar direction as Shiba Inu. Getting Baby Dogecoins recorded on major decentralized trades like Binance and Coinbase is an effective method for helping their worth. Indeed, even in the down market, Baby Doge has shown remarkable flexibility, drawing the premium of merchants and financial backers the same. Hypothesis proposes Baby Dogecoin will keep on acquiring in esteem. In any case, crypto speculations convey some level of innate vulnerability. Since the worth of a meme token could switch course undeniably more quickly than that of other altcoins, you ought to advance however much you can prior to pursuing any sort of speculation choice. Where can I get Baby Dogecoin? Child Doge crypto, one of the most discussed meme tokens on the lookout, can be bought through a large portion of the fundamental digital currency trades. You can purchase Baby Doge on a wide range of cryptographic money trades today, including Hotbit and Gate.io. PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Gate.io, Bank, Hotbit, OKX, Polinox, Mex, Bit4x, and Bitrue are probably the best places to purchase Baby Dogecoin at the present time. Before very long, Baby Dogecoins will be recorded for public exchange on a wide assortment of digital currency trades. To purchase Baby Doge crypto, you ought to visit your local digital currency market. Child Dogecoin can be traded for Ether or Binance Coin in a MetaMask wallet. Albeit this approach enjoys its benefits, it accompanies a few downsides. For example,